If you're new to ASL, you are in the right place. So you're going to learn 30 ASL phrases that you will use in your everyday conversations. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Make sure you're signing with me. Good morning. Good morning. So to sign good morning, you do the sign good. That is taking your dominant hand from your chin and you placing it on your non-dominant hand. And then to do morning is having your non-dominant hand on the crack of your elbow and you have your dominant hand up like this. So you do good and you sign morning like this. Morning. So this is a sign for morning, like the sun is up like this. Morning. So you sign good morning. Good night. Good night. So this is the sign for good, like we just learned. To sign night is you have your dominant hand put down on top of your non-dominant hand like this. Night. So have your non-dominant hand, the back of the hand like this. They take your dominant hand, you place it down like this. Night, right? This shows the sun has set. Night, right? Night. Like this. Night. Good night. How are you? How are you? To sign how, have your two hands bent like this, right? All your fingers are bent and your thumb is slightly out like this. Join them together and you put them in front of you like this and you do this. How? So you're moving your dominant hand like this. How? How? See this? How? How? Or you can do this. How? So you're moving your both hands like this. How? How? Or how? Make sure you have your eyebrows down because we are asking a WH question, right? How are you? How are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. This is a sign for nice, right? Having your dominant hand on top of your non-dominant hand and you slide it like this. Nice. And this is a sign meet. So having your two index finger out like this. Take your dominant hand and you move it to your non-dominant hand like this. Meet, right? Meet, like you're meeting someone, right? You're moving and you're meeting someone. Meet. So nice to meet you. Thank you. To say thank you, you're just moving your dominant hand, the palm flat like this from your chin. You're moving it out like this. Thank you. You don't have to say thank and you're pointing you. No, you just do thank you. That is, you're moving your hand to the person you're thanking like this. Thank you. If the person is over there, you do thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. So to sign welcome, have your dominant hand out like this and you move it from out to in, right? Like towards you like this. You're welcome. Your name what? Your name what? This is a sign for your. That is having your dominant hand out like this and you're moving it towards the person like this. Your name. You have your two hands closed like this. Take your dominant hand and you tap on your non-dominant hand like this. Name twice. Name. And this is a sign for what. What or what's. What. So to sign what's your name is your name what. Or your name what. You will see some people actually sign what's your name like the way it is in English. What's your name? So your name what or what's your name? My name is, then you finger spell your name. My, this is a sign for my, and name, name, and you finger spell your name. So my name is empty. So what's your name? My name is empty. Are you deaf? So to sign are you deaf is basically you're pointing at the person, are you? And to sign deaf is taking your index finger, you tap the side of your ear and you tap the side of your mouth like this, deaf, right? So you can either do it from the ear to the side of your mouth or from the side of the mouth to the ear like this, deaf or deaf. Make sure you have your eyebrows up because you're asking the yes or no questions. Are you deaf? Are you hearing? So to sign are you hearing is the same thing as pointing you you. And to sign hearing, you do this motion like this, hearing, right? So you have your index finger in front of your mouth and you do a circular motion. So outward circular motion, like outward, come back in, outward, come back in. Are you hearing? I'm learning ASL. To sign you basically having your index finger and you point to yourself. And this is the sign learn, learn, and you spell ASL. I'm learning ASL. Please sign slowly. Please, having your dominant hand on your chest and you do a circular motion. Please sign. So this is how you sign like this. So basically have your hand open and close twice. Sign, right? Sign. Or you can do the sign like this, sign. Have your two index finger pointing each other and you're rotating it around each other. Sign. Slowly. Slowly. So you have your non-dominant hand palm stationary. Take your dominant hand, the fingers, put it at the tip of your non-dominant hand and you move it towards your arm like this. Slow. Slowly. Please sign slowly. Please sign slowly. Sign again, please. Sign again. So this is a sign for again or repeat. So you have your non-dominant hand stationary like this. Take your dominant hand curved like this. You move it and you're touching the tip on your non-dominant hand like this. Again or repeat. Can you sign again, please? This is how you sign can. Having your two hands closed, bring it from up to down. Can you sign again, please? I don't understand. To sign I don't understand is having your dominant hand out like this, the back of the hand facing outward. They take your index finger pointing up, you put it on the side of your head like this, right? And you flick it up like this. Understand. So this is a sign understand, and when you're trying to say I don't understand, you shaking your head left, right, and you do understand, right? Like this, I don't understand. Because your face already tells that you don't understand. I don't understand. But the long way is signing I don't understand. So I don't. This is a sign for don't. Having your thumb, you flick it from under your chin like this. Don't. I don't understand. I don't understand. Or I don't understand. I need help. I, pointing yourself, need. Have your dominant hand, the index finger curled like this. You bring it down twice. Need help. So help, have your dominant hand in an A sign. Have your non-dominant hand palm flat like this. You move it like this. Help. I need help. Bathroom, where? So to sign where is the bathroom, you do bathroom, where? This is a sign bathroom, having your thumb tucked under your index finger like this, the T sign like this. You move it left and right, bathroom or toilet. And to sign where, having your index finger out like this, you move it left and right. Remember to have your eyebrows down, right? Where? Bathroom, where? I want water. I, pointing yourself, wants, having your two hands out and you move it towards you, curling your finger up like this, wants water. So have your hand in the W sign like this. Take your index finger, tap on your chin twice. Water. I want water. I want water. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. To sign hungry, have your hand in the C sign like this. Put it on your chest like this and you move it down. Hungry. I'm tired. To sign tired, have your two hands, put it on your tummy and you bring it down like this. Tired. Tired. I'm tired. That mean what? Or what? To sign what does that mean is that mean what? So to sign that is having your hand in a Y shape like this, in a Y sign like this, and you bring it out like this, that, like this, that, mean. So to sign mean, have your non-dominant palm out like this. Take your dominant hand in a V sign that is having your index and middle finger out like this. You put it on top of your non-dominant hand like this. So they have to be like this, not like this, right? Like this, not like this, like this, right? And you turn it like this, right? And you're turning just your dominant hand like this. Mean. So that, mean what? How do you sign? So if you're trying to ask somebody, how do you sign something? You say, how you sign, or sign, right? How do you sign, or sign? How do you sign? And you finger spell what you're asking, right? How do you sign dog? How do you sign cat, right? So how do you sign? Can you help me? Having your two hands up and down. Can you help me? So to sign help me is doing the sign help and you're moving it towards you. Help me. Help me. Can you help me? Remember, eyebrow is up because it's a yes or no question, right? Can you help me? I can help you. So to sign help you is doing the sign help and you're moving it towards the person that you're talking, right? Help you. I can help you. Can you help me? I can help you. Do you know ASL? Do you? Remember, we don't sign do, right? We just point to the person. Do you? No. To sign no, have your hand curved like this and you tap the fingertip on the side of your head like this. No, right? You tap twice. No. Do you know ASL? See you later. To sign C, have your two hands in the V sign, flip it backward, take it on the side of your eye and you move it outward like this. See. Later. To sign later, have your hand in the L sign like this, put it on the side of your face and you move it outward like this. Later. See you later. Have a good day. Sign have your two hands out like this, put it in front of you like this. Have. Good. Having your dominant hand from your chin, place it on top of your non-dominant hand. Good day. To sign day, have your non-dominant hand stationary like this. Take your dominant hand like this, right? And you put it on top of your non-dominant hand like this. So the elbow is on top of the hand of your non-dominant hand and then you bring it down like this. Day. So you can either have your non-dominant hand in the D sign like this or you just have it closed and you have your dominant hand in the D sign and you bring it down like this. Day. Have a good day. I love you. I, pointing yourself, love having your two hands crossed and you bring it towards you like this. Love and you. I love you. Or the short version is doing this. I love you. So basically have your thumb, your index finger and your pinky finger out and your two middle fingers are down like this. I love you. I love you. So I is the pinky, love is the L, right? And you is the Y, like this, you. I love you. If you're able to learn your first ASL phrases, clap for yourself. Good job. Just keep practicing and practicing and practicing. You will get better. if you did not watch your first 30 words in ASL, please make sure you watch them. That way it's going to help you master the words. Then you can watch this again and then you practice your signing your phrases together. Right now I'm going to sign some phrases and you will guess them. Are you ready? Able to learn and recognize your ASL phrases. Clap for yourself. Yeah, you did it. So right now we've come to the end of this video, and without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.